woman, getting me on my back. Yeah, I don't care what you say. Gotta stay on track. Gotta stay on track. You say, gotta stay on track. I gotta stay on track.
Yes, sir. Peter V and the Blues Train. Stay on track. One of the favorite tracks. I love the jam. Peter V is going to be coming. Peter's going to be coming on just a second. Let's crank Freedom from these guys, and I'll be back with the main guest. Thanks, everybody. What does it mean? I'm trapped by the memory of you and me. I close my eyes, I see your face, I forget the lies. Oh, thanks everybody. Peter V and the Blues Train. Hold on, man. Hold on with that track. All right, everybody. I'm in live action trying to get this thing rolling with my Skype. I got Peter live. He is in on the East Coast. Hello, my friend. How are we doing today?
Tom, I'm doing great. How you doing, pal?
Thanks, buddy. Thanks for coming on. A little improv interview. I love it. I love playing your jams all the time with Betsy Brown, providing Brian Raccoon, and now I connect and talk to you. Oh, my friend. Thanks, buddy. Fill us in what you got going on.
So, as you know, our current CD, Running Out of Time, is still in the charts. It's been on the charts for about 21, 22 weeks now. And we're excited about that. We're in the studio wrapping up our forthcoming CD, which will be number 4. And it's called Shaken But Not Deterred. And we just going to be laying down our final 2 tracks this week. And then we go into mixing and some overdubs. And it's going to be released in the fall. It's going to be released the first Friday in October, I believe, October 5th. And I'm going to have Betsy Brown from Blind Raccoon represent me again as my publicist, who's done a great job.
Yeah, and the last one that we've been playing a lot of, Running Out of Time, that gets a lot of traction. Just that song itself is just fantastic.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Yeah, how that came to be and all that awesome. I know that was charted big time on the Reach Report, too.
Yes. Are you talking about the CD or that particular song?
The kind of both. The CD, the title track is awesome, and the whole CD itself is great.
Yeah, the whole CD. So, yeah, we actually recorded that last year, and then it was unofficially released in the fall. And then I hooked up with Betsy Brown. We did a formal release back in February for iTunes and all that. And it's got a lot of airplay and a lot of terrific reviews. I think we've gotten over 30 reviews from 9 different countries. All the big blues magazines in America have given it favorable reviews, positive stuff, and it's very exciting. So, and the name of the band is Peter V Blues Train, so I get a lot of the credit, but I want to give credit to the guys in the band, Alex Diagnos, the drummer, keyboard player Aaron Gornish, and our bass player Sean Gravison. And, these guys are the key guys in the band, and they've been with me. They supported me, and, they're very instrumental in helping create the sound. Also, I want to give a shout-out to our recording engineer in the studio, Joseph DeMayo from Surefire Recording Studio, who is instrumental in getting our sound correct and desired. And then also my girlfriend, Joanne Cesario, who, does a lot of the lyrics for my songs. She wrote the song Running Out of Time, but she claims it wasn't autobiographical. So.
And the first time, my friend, I heard that one, I was just laughing. It pissed me off. And it fits so many different moods in the life. And oh my God, that was great. So where do you guys play out of mainly? You're in the Pittsburgh area? Is it Pennsylvania?
No, I'm actually on the border of Jersey and PA in Bucks County, right near the Delaware River. So actually, next Sunday we're playing in New Hope, PA, which is a nice town right by the river, and we're playing at a place called France Pub, which is like kind of our home away from home. We've played there maybe 8-9 times in the last 2 years, and we're looking forward to that because we always get a nice crowd. It's a really cool place. But then later in the month, in August, we're playing at a Jersey Shore Jazz and Blues Festival on Saturday, August 25th, and I think the Nick Morse Band is one of the bands that's going to be on there as well, who I'm sure you're familiar with. Mm-hmm. And then in September, we're heading up to Maine at the Time Out Pub, Rockland, Maine. Paul Benjamin was good enough to give us a gig there. And then we're doing some other festivals later in the fall. So, we don't play day in and day out, but I try to be a little more selective the places we play. And my focus is to play more at festivals and doing a lot of club gigs. But we'll do both.
Yeah, where we got a little bit more exposure, and you guys can do it correctly in big production. I got some friends, Altered 5 Blues Band, we were talking off air before, and they do the same thing. They may play a couple times, but nice, big, positive gigs, because they're solid like you guys, too. And, oh, man, thanks, my friend. And now that I can connect with you guys, I can call you all the time when you're on the road. We'll do some updates at some shows as the falls continue on the little Hoomagoo thing I got going. And without you and the music and everything, That's what it's all about. I just like to bring kind of like the Pied Piper. Just bring everybody out and let the karma roll. So, wow, I know you got a roll today, my friend. Would you get head out to the beach, did you say? You're going to the beach today?
Yeah, we're at the beach. We're in LBI, New Jersey, so it's a nice spot. And I'm just hanging out in the car until our phone call's done. They're going to go actually sit on the beach for a while. But I just want to say you do a great job marketing your show as well. So you're very aggressive, and you get it out there, which is very important. So I appreciate you having our band on your show as frequent as you do, as well as other great bands.
God bless you, my friend. Hey, by the way, with the fall coming up, are you a football fan out there in Jersey? Is it Jets, Giants, anything like that?
It's the team that you go for, the Green Bay.
Yeah, I love it. Because I started this, I was on college radio in Madison, and I had a sports parody show. So I'm going to be kicking that back up on Sunday mornings, playing a little fun of parody along with all this serious type of stuff. So thanks again, my friend Peter, for coming on.
Hey, my pleasure.
On the Improv, and have a blessed day, and we will just keep rocking on. Okay, buddy?
Sounds good, brother. Nice talking to you.
Thanks.
Take care, Tom.
Yeah, awesome. Peter V. from the Blues Train coming on live. I hope that came out good. We're learning on the fly, a lot of buttons to click, and here we go. All right, let's do Youngblood.
Hey!
Peter V. and the Blues Train.
I saw her standing on the corner, a yellow ribbon in her hair. I couldn't keep myself from calling. Look at there, look at there, and look at there. Young blood, young blood. I said young blood. I can't get you out of my mind. I took one look and I was fractured. I tried to walk and I was lame. I couldn't keep myself from shouting. What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name? And what's your name? Young blood.